What's up, guys? Mike here, Real Broker. Welcome to my new listing at 8201 Unit 406 Islington Avenue in Woodbridge. Enjoy the tour. Welcome to this beautiful condo apartment located in highly sought after neighborhood of Islington Woods in Vaughan. This condo apartment offers a comfortable and convenient lifestyle with its close proximities to various amenities, one spacious bedroom and one washroom. This condo apartment is perfect for a couple looking for ample space and functionality. The well-designed layout ensures the harmonious flow throughout the condo apartment, providing both privacy and open living space. Situated near schools, a library, and popular Vaughan Mills Center, residents will have an easy access to shopping, entertainment, and educational facilities. Close proximities to the public transit and nearby highways like Highway 400, 427, and 407 provide easy access to the rest of the Greater Toronto Area. Boast beautifully laminated floors which add a touch of sophistication to the living space. Come see for yourself why this neighborhood is so cherished and make this charming condo apartment your new home. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the tour.